Hey lads, TechScanning here. Oppo Reno 9 series launched in China last year in November, while so far no news on its global launch. However, now as per the reliable tipster digital chat station, the brand is already busy with the development of Oppo Reno 10 series. So possibly Oppo will skip the Reno 9 lineup in the global market and will directly launch the Oppo Reno 10 series. Just like the Oppo Reno 9 lineup, most likely Oppo Reno 10 series will also consist of Oppo Reno 10, 10 Pro and 10 Pro Plus. And the good news for the Oppo Reno fans, Digital Chat Station has tipped some key specifications of the standard Reno 10 and the top of the line Reno 10 Pro Plus. So according to him, the Oppo Reno 10 will have the same 6.7 inches screen size as its predecessor and it will be an Full HD Plus OLED panel. There will be a 32 megapixel front selfie sensor, most probably in a punch hole style cutout. Now for the rear camera sensors of the handset, details are still under wraps, but the tipster claims that there will be at least a 2x portrait lens. Speaking of the Oppo Reno 10 Pro Plus, as per the tipster, it will carry a 1.5K resolution display with a possibly 6.7 inches screen size and 120Hz refresh rate. The handset is said to have a 50 megapixel Sony IMX890 as the main camera sensor, the same one that we saw on the recently launched OnePlus 11, and not to mention it's quite an impressive lens. Further, unlike its predecessor, this time the Oppo Reno 10 Pro Plus model will be packed with a periscope camera sensor. Earlier, a report claimed that the handset will also have a 8 megapixel Sony IMX355 ultra wide sensor. Surprisingly, the handset is said to have a 4600 mAh of battery capacity, which is 100 mAh less than the Oppo Reno 9 Pro Plus. The chipset details for the Oppo Reno 10 lineup are still unknown. However, it won't surprise us if Oppo will use the different chipsets depending on the variant as they did before. An alleged sketch of the Oppo Reno 10 series is circulating on the Chinese social media platform Weibo, showing a vertical form of pill-like camera island. At the moment, I think it's too early for an official confirmation about the Oppo Reno 10 series. However, the phones are expected to debut in the second quarter of 2023. Anyway, I will keep you updated, so be sure to subscribe and hit the bell button. And I will see you in the next video. Until then, take care.